Hello, I am Grace Konedu. Welcome to my English class. Today's lesson we are going to learn about morphemes. Morphemes. You have the content. 1. Introduction to morpheme. 2. Types of morpheme. 3. We have application of morphemes. Introduction to morpheme. The morpheme is the first rank according to the constituents of relation and the last rank according to the constants of relation in the rank scale. Definition of morpheme. A morpheme is the smallest meaningful grammatical unit in a language. It consists of linguistic elements that cannot be broken into further units. We can identify a morpheme by 3 criteria. 1. It is a word or part of a word that has meaning. 2. It cannot be divided in smaller meaningful parts without meaningless reminders. 3. It recurs in different words environments with a relatively stable meaning. We move on to types of morphemes. 1. We have the free morpheme. 2. The bound morpheme. 3. We have the full and empty morpheme. 4. We have the suffix and suffix. We have 5. The noun morpheme. We have the 6. The base or root morpheme. There are 2 basic types of morpheme, which are morpheme. We have the free, we have the bound. Under the bound, we have the inferential morpheme, we have the deviational morpheme. Under the deviational morpheme, we have class maintaining and class changing. And under the free morpheme, we have the lexical and we have the grammatical, which consists of pronoun, articles, conjunction, preposition. Free morpheme is a type of morpheme which makes sense on its own. Types of free morphemes: lexical morphemes, functional or grammatical morphemes. Example: eat, teach, date, week, work, etc. We move on to bound morpheme. They are kind of morpheme that cannot make sense on its own. Types of bound morpheme: we have I, inferential morpheme, II, deviational morpheme. Example: we have dancer, we have works, we have bosses, we have woman, etc. Identifying the number of morphemes in a given word. In English, the word stopped is composed of 2 morphemes: stop plus the past tense maker, that is stop plus the ed. In the same vein, the word walked is composed of 2 morphemes. We have the walk plus the past tense maker, that is walk plus ed. Simply, we can say that went has 2 morphemes. The go has past tense maker. Sang has 2 morphemes. Sing plus the past tense maker. From the discussion above, we can confidently say that verb in the simple present tense have 2 morphemes. Application of morpheme. Morphemes are important for phonetic in both reading and spelling, as well as in vocabulary and comprehension. Try your hands on this question. 1. Explain the term morpheme in your own words. 2. State some example of morpheme. 3. Try and identify the number of morphemes in the above stated examples. 4. Memorize the type of morpheme. 5. Per your understanding, figure the importance of morpheme. Thanks for watching this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe.